Welcome, Teacher April.
So, let us multiply fraction. Example number 1 is 3 over 4 times 5 over 6. So, how are we going to multiply this? The first thing to do is to multiply the numerators. Okay, 3 times 5 equals 15. Next is multiply the denominators. 4 times 6 equals 24. So you have now 15 over 24. As you can see, it can be reduced to lowest term. So maghahanap ka na pwedeng i-divide sa kanilang dalawa. And that is 3. Divisible siya by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So therefore, the product of 3/4 and 5 over 6 is 5 over 8. Now, another method on how to multiply fraction. So that is using the cancellation method. So, pwede kang mag-cancel ng numerator to denominator, and you can cancel diagonally. Cancel the common from the denominator and the numerator. So we have 3 and 6. Divisible siya by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, next. Meron pa bang pwedeng i-cancel? Wala na. So, kung wala na, multiply the numerator. So, that is 1 times 5 equals 5. Then, multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. So, we have the same answer. Okay? Okay, so let us proceed with example number 2. So, multiply 2 and 1/4 times 5 and 4 over 6. So, as you can see, the given are mixed number. So, the first thing to do is to express the mixed number into improper fraction. So, how are we going to change the mixed number into improper fraction? So, all you have to do is to multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add it to the numerator. So, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 equals 9. Then, copy the denominator. Next, 6 times 5 equals 30, plus 4 equals 34. Then, copy the denominator. So, you have now already 9 over 4 times 34 over 6. So, kung mag-multiply ka niya ng numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, so, malaki ang magiging product niyan. And then, magre-reduce ka pa sa lowest term. So, let us use the shortest method, and that is using the cancellation method. So, hahanap ka lang ng pwedeng makancel sa apat na yan. So, pwede natin i-cancel ang 4 at saka 34. So, i-divide natin siya sa 2 kasi divisible siya by 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 34 divided by 2 is 17. Okay. Next, pwede pa natin cancel ang 9 at saka 6. So, divisible siya by 3. Pwede natin siya i-divide sa 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay. So, meron pa bang pwedeng makancel sa 3, 17, 2, and 2? Wala na. So, kung wala, 3 times 17 equals 51. Then 2, multiply the denominators. 2 times 2 equals 4. So you have now 51 over 4. Or, you can change this to mixed number. So, pwede mo siyang i-change sa mixed number. Paano? You're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So, kapag dinivide mo yung 51 sa 4, ilang ba? 4 meron sa 51. So, 12. So, 12 times 4, 48. Ilan ang sobra? 51 minus 48, 3. So, lalagay mo dito, 3. Then, copy the denominator. So, that is 12 and 3/4. The product of 2 and 1/4 and 5, 4 over 6 is 12 and 3/4. Okay. So, let us have another example using the cancellation. 6, 7 times 14 over 18. So, hanap ka lang ng pwedeng makancel. 7 and 14 divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Again, 6 and 18 divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So, meron pa bang pwede makancel? Wala na. So, kung wala na, multiply the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. Then, 1 times 3 is 3. So, the answer is 2/3. Okay? For learning task 2, you're going to perform the indicated operation. So, for example, 3 over 7 plus 9 over 14. Now, look at the denominators. They are different. So, if we have different denominators, this is dissimilar fraction. So, kapag dissimilar fraction, you need to get the LCD or the least common denominator. Okay, so let us find the equivalent fraction. What is your LCD? Your LCD is 14. Bakit 14? Kasi si 14, pwede mong i-divide sa 7. Pwede mo rin siyang i-divide sa 14. Okay, so 14 divided by 7 is 2. Times 3 is 6. 14 divided by 14 is 1. Times 9 is 9. So, since we have similar fractions, let us add the numerator. 6 plus 9 equals 15. And copy the denominator, which is 14. So, your answer is 15 over 14. Hayaan ng naka-improper fraction. Okay? So, for number 2, we have dissimilar fractions. Number 3, we have also dissimilar fractions. This time, you're going to subtract. Then, number 5 is also subtraction of dissimilar fractions. So, all you have to do is find the LCD, get the equivalent fraction, and then simplify. Okay? For number 6, we have multiplication. Multiply fraction, you need to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So, we have 3 times 4 is 12. Over 7 times 5 is 35. So, your answer is 12 over 35. Next, number 7 is also multiplication, but you need to consider the rules in multiplication of integers. For number 8, we have division. So, how do you divide fraction? So, multiply by its reciprocal. So, it will become 3 over 4 times the reciprocal of the divisor, or kabaliktaran, we have 5 over 2. So, following the rules in multiplication of fractions, we have 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. So, your answer is 15 over 8. Hayaan ng naka-improper fraction. So, number 9 is also division, but you need to consider the rules in division of integers. For number 10, change first to improper fraction. Paano kayo mag-change? The denominator is multiplied by the whole number. Then, add the numerator. Then, copy the denominator. Okay? So, kailangan nyo munang i-change to improper fraction bago kayo mag-multiply. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'm your teacher, April. Remember, study with love, study with all your heart.